Looking for an affordable Red Sea getaway that delivers sun, sand, and plenty of family fun without breaking the bank? Let me take you through everything you need to know about Arabia Azur Resort in Hurghada, Egypt. This 4-star all-inclusive property has been welcoming guests since 2005, and after recent renovations in 2024 and 2025, it is looking fresher than ever. Situated along the stunning Red Sea coastline, this resort sprawls across 100,000 square meters of prime beachfront real estate, offering that classic Egyptian Mediterranean vibe with palm-lined pathways, domed architecture, and vibrant mosaics that transport you to an Arabian oasis the moment you arrive. With solid ratings hovering around 8 out of 10 on Booking.com and 4 out of 5 on TripAdvisor, this resort has built a reputation as a reliable choice for families and budget-conscious travelers seeking that all-inclusive experience. The resort boasts 435 rooms, 7 dining venues, 4 swimming pools including a brand new aqua park, and 300 meters of private sandy beach. Whether you are planning a family vacation, a romantic escape, or just need to disconnect from the daily grind, Arabia Azur Resort positions itself as a value-for-money option that punches above its weight in terms of facilities and location. Recent guest reviews highlight the ongoing improvements, with many noting the refreshed rooms and enhanced spa facilities. While some travelers mention that food variety could be broader and certain areas still show signs of wear, the overall consensus points to a resort that understands its audience and delivers exactly what most guests are looking for at this price point. When it comes to accommodations, Arabia Azur Resort offers 435 rooms spread across several categories, ensuring there is something suitable whether you are traveling as a couple, with family, or in a larger group. Every single room comes equipped with air conditioning, which is absolutely essential in the Egyptian heat, along with a balcony or terrace where you can enjoy your morning coffee or evening breeze. The minibar gets restocked daily as part of the all-inclusive package, and you will find satellite television, a safe for your valuables, tea and coffee making facilities, a hairdryer, and complimentary Wi-Fi throughout your stay. The standard rooms measure 35 square meters and feature either king or twin beds, making them perfect for couples or solo travelers who want a comfortable base without unnecessary frills. These rooms offer garden or pool views, and for a small upgrade you can secure a sea view room that lets you wake up to those gorgeous Red Sea vistas. The bathrooms come with showers, and while the decor is simple, everything you need is right there. Prices for standard rooms start around $80 to $100 per night during low season, climbing to $120 to $150 during the busy summer months. Moving up the scale, the superior rooms offer 40 square meters of space with a separate living area option, making them ideal if you want a bit more room to spread out. These rooms receive special attention during the 2024 renovations, with updated bathrooms that feel noticeably more modern. You will also find bathrobes and slippers waiting for you, adding that touch of comfort after a day at the beach. Superior rooms offer pool or partial sea views and can accommodate up to 3 adults, with prices ranging from $90 to $110 in low season and $130 to $170 during peak times. For families traveling with children, the family rooms are purpose-built with 50 square meters of space divided into 2 bedrooms with connecting doors. These rooms include bunk beds decorated with colorful kids' themes that little ones absolutely love, plus a sofa bed for extra flexibility. Garden or sea views are available, and the layout gives parents some privacy while keeping everyone close. Expect to pay between $100 to $130 in low season and $150 to $200 when demand peaks. At the top end, the junior suites stretch to 60 square meters and feature a separate bedroom and lounge area, with some units offering jacuzzi options for that extra indulgence. These suites come with seafront views and private terraces where you can enjoy the sunset in complete privacy. An espresso machine adds a nice touch for coffee lovers, and the Arabian-style arches create an elegant atmosphere that feels a step above the standard offerings. Junior suites range from $140 to $180 in quieter months, rising to $220 to $280 during high season. All rooms feature modern amenities like phones, and irons with ironing boards are available on request, ensuring you look sharp for those evening dinners even on vacation. The dining scene at Arabia Azur Resort revolves around 7 different venues, all covered under the all-inclusive package with a couple of premium exceptions. The heart of the operation is the main restaurant, known simply as Azur, a massive buffet hall that can seat 500 guests and offers breakfast, lunch, and dinner from 7 in the morning until 10 at night. This is where you will find international cuisine with Egyptian and Mediterranean influences, and the breakfast spread is particularly impressive with omelette stations, fresh pastries, fruits, and cereals to start your day right. Dinner brings themed nights with Italian cuisine taking center stage on Wednesdays and the grill station consistently turning out meats cooked to order. The seafood selection varies, and while some guests note that variety can feel repetitive over longer stays, the quality remains consistent and the sea views from the dining hall create a pleasant atmosphere. For something more intimate, the seafood restaurant operates as an à la carte venue specializing in Mediterranean seafood dishes. Open for dinner from 7 to 10 in the evening, this beachfront restaurant requires reservations and enforces a smart casual dress code. The grilled prawns and fresh fish platters receive consistent praise from guests, though be aware that premium items like lobster come with an extra fee beyond the all-inclusive package. Friday nights feature special seafood promotions that are worth booking ahead for. The Italian à la carte restaurant offers another alternative to the main buffet, serving authentic pasta, wood-fired pizza, and desserts like tiramisu that transport you straight to Rome. Open for both lunch and dinner from 12:30 to 3 and again from 7 to 10, this 80-seat venue maintains a casual atmosphere where families feel welcome. Reservations are advised, especially during peak season when tables fill quickly. The beach bar keeps things casual throughout the day from 10 in the morning until 6 in the evening, serving burgers, salads, and light snacks perfect for when you do not want to leave the sand. Swimwear is perfectly acceptable here and the atmosphere is relaxed and fun, with occasional pool parties adding entertainment. Finally, the lobby bar operates 24 hours a day, offering cocktails, mocktails, and even shisha for those interested. Live music plays nightly, creating a pleasant ambience for evening drinks, and the plush seating makes it easy to settle in for extended conversations. While detailed menus are not published online, guests consistently mention that portion sizes are generous and the staff accommodates dietary requirements when informed in advance. The main criticism across reviews centers on food variety during extended stays, with some guests wishing for more rotation in the buffet offerings, but for typical week-long vacations, most find the selection more than adequate. Arabia Azur Resort truly shines when it comes to aquatic facilities, offering 4 distinct swimming pools that cater to different moods and age groups. The main pool is the centerpiece, measuring an impressive 1,200 square meters with a depth of 1.4 meters, making it safe for families while still being enjoyable for adults. This pool features a swim-up bar where you can order drinks without leaving the water, and the surrounding deck is lined with suns available on a first-come, first-served basis. Waiter service extends to the pool area, so you can order food and drinks to your lounger without interrupting your relaxation. For those seeking peace and quiet, the adults-only pool spans 800 square meters and maintains a tranquil atmosphere where you can read, nap, or simply float without the splashing and excitement of family areas. The kids' pool features shallow water and small slides that are perfect for younger children to play safely under parental supervision, and the lifeguards maintain a watchful presence throughout operating hours. The newest addition, completed in 2025, is the Aqua Park with multiple slides that have quickly become a highlight in recent guest reviews. Children absolutely love the variety of slides, and even adults find themselves queuing up for the thrills. All pools are heated during winter months, extending the swimming season comfortably, and they operate from 8 in the morning until 7 in the evening year-round. Fresh towels are provided, and the poolside service means you rarely need to move except to cool off in the water. Beyond the pools, the resort's private beach stretches 300 meters along the Red Sea, featuring fine, clean sand and crystal-clear waters that showcase why this region is famous among divers and snorkelers. The beach is exclusively for resort guests, ensuring it never feels overcrowded, and umbrellas and loungers are plentiful. Beach waiter service matches the pool areas, and the beach bar keeps refreshments flowing throughout the day. Free activities include kayaks and pedalos, perfect for exploring the calm waters at your own pace. For those interested in discovering the underwater world, the resort offers paid diving and snorkeling excursions ranging from 20 to 50 euros, providing equipment and guidance to both beginners and experienced divers. The Red Sea's reputation for vibrant coral reefs and diverse marine life is well deserved, and the house reef accessible from the beach offers excellent snorkeling opportunities right at your doorstep. Nearby Gifton Island can be reached via boat trips organized through the hotel desk for around 30 euros, offering even more spectacular diving and snorkeling sites. The beach facilities are cleaned daily, and the gentle slope into the water makes it safe for children while still providing depth for swimmers. Sunset views from the beach are absolutely stunning, and many guests make it a ritual to watch the sun dip below the horizon each evening with a cocktail in hand. When it comes to staying active and entertained, Arabia Azur Resort delivers a comprehensive program that keeps guests engaged throughout their stay. The fitness center received a complete equipment upgrade in 2024, now featuring modern Technogym machines including treadmills, stationary bikes, weight machines, and free weights, plus yoga mats for stretching and floor exercises. The facility operates from 7 in the morning until 10 at night, giving early risers and night owls equal opportunity to maintain their workout routines. Daily group classes include aerobics and Zumba, led by energetic instructors who make fitness fun rather than a chore, and personal training sessions are available for an additional fee if you want customized guidance. The animation team runs a packed schedule of daytime activities including water aerobics in the pool, beach volleyball tournaments, and various games that encourage guest participation. Evening entertainment follows a regular schedule with shows starting around 9 in the evening, featuring everything from fire shows and acrobatics on Friday and Saturday nights to cultural performances showcasing traditional Egyptian folk dances. The disco opens late for those wanting to dance, and the variety ensures there is something different each night of the week. For water sports enthusiasts beyond the free kayaks and pedalos, the resort can arrange windsurfing, jet skiing, and parasailing through local operators, though these activities carry additional costs. Quad bike safaris into the desert offer a thrilling way to explore the landscape beyond the beach, and these excursions can be booked at the tour desk. Fishing trips are another popular option, taking guests out onto the Red Sea for half-day or full-day charters. The resort's location along the Red Sea coast means diving remains the premier activity, and whether you are a complete beginner interested in a discovery dive or a certified diver looking to explore deeper sites, the local dive centers partnered with the resort offer professional instruction and equipment. The House Reef provides easy shore diving, while boat trips access more distant sites known for dramatic drop-offs, caves, and wreck dives. Many guests mention that the diving opportunities alone justify their choice of Hurghada as a destination, and the warm, clear waters offer year-round diving conditions. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.